Today we're going to make a tiny bag charm using 2 forks. And we need 2 colors, but each of them were 4, but we split them up in 2. And we need 2 other different colors, and I'm gonna use blue and one more for this hanging thing. So, and I'm gonna use it with purple. Sometimes we need the hook, sometimes we don't. And first we need the blue one to go across, and then we pick the first color that we want to use, and then we cross both of them like this, from here to here, and from here to here, and then we are going to take this up, but only the one that we split from the fork to 2, and put the blue ones back where they were before, and then we will do the same thing. And we're going to do the next color. For example, this one. Do the same thing with the blue before.
Are you in the pink one? Do the same, do the blue with the pink one.
Dark blue. And sometimes we can use the hook to do it, because sometimes it's a little hard to use your hand. And take it up, just like what we did with the pink one, and put it back. Put the blue ones back where they were before, like an X again, and we're gonna choose, and then we're going to change into the next color again and put this like the one before that we did, and we pull this up, but both sides, like before. So we put both sides back here again, and this time I'm going to use the hook, and we put this here and change.
Okay, can you show the viewer?
To
Okay, first, Nindi, can you show the viewer first?
Hmm?
Can you show the viewer what What's the progress so far?
What?
Okay, looks good. Okay, good.
And we put this back here. And at the end, I will tell you what will it look like when we make this. And then we are gonna pull these up, but both sides again. And we're going to get it up, and when we see this, it looks like a shell. And this shell looks like it's colored with beautiful colors. And now we put this like this, and also both sides. But first we pull this up, put this like that, and do the same thing with the other one. And we pull this one up and the other side up too.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put the band with one band only, and put this over here, so this will be like two. So this one get up, and also the same thing like this. And then we'll just put it here on both sides like this, and then we put them here, and we pull this one up, and we pull it, and there's a bag, and it looks cute like a shell, and it's easy to make it. Done.
Okay, thank you, Nidhi.